are on the road again. This time we're heading north, back to the Stratton mountain area. I've got my ski equipment loaded in the rear, and honestly, I'm kind of excited. This is my first time hitting a mountain in over 2 years, so here we come. Welcome to Stratton Mountain in Vermont. Today, I'm trading everyday worries for fresh snow, cold air, and whatever adventure the mountain has waiting. We have made it to the Stratton parking lot number 1. We're going to be shuttling over to the mountain after I suit up. So without further ado, hope we're not going to be back in the car for a little bit, if not most of the day. So we're going to store some snacks with us. Before we head on out, mango habanero jelly here. That's better. Before we hit the road. Alright, we're out here on our own. Feeling equipment better about the equipment. To fix my boots up a little bit, but they're feeling better now. It's a good thing I decided to go on a smaller mountain to blow the dust off my gear. Even though my boot on the left foot is tight enough to cut off circulation to my feet, there's a little bit of movement in my heel that causes my ski to shake. This will be an ongoing issue on this trip. The ski lift, also known as the altitude-powered anxiety chair, where you question if the bar is secure or if this is how your story ends. While I may be immune to these effects, I'm here alone because, frankly, I don't know anybody else that is. Have a good one. And here I am, perfecting my art of crab walking. Like the rusty crustacean that I am, I have to wonder, would I rather hop up this slight hill like a snowboarder or sideways step like a crab? Go down in the comments below and let me know what's your preference. Normally, I like to bring my ski poles when I'm skiing difficult terrain like a much bigger mountain than this. But it's moments like this that I wish that I brought my ski poles, because I'd be able to ski on right by. Yep. And then it happened. I fell. In front of probably a bunch of kids and adults and a whole bunch of other people. But luckily, my mask is on. Nobody knows who I am. And I can brush myself off and ski away with my head held high. if you've been following along, I just want to let you know, thank you very much. And bear with us as I learn all the equipment and grow this channel into what I envision it will be in the future. If you want to donate to the journey, you can do so at buymeacoffee-KC710, and all donations are very much appreciated. And we will be shouting out every single one that does so, unless they are anonymous. You guys still open, right? Alright guys, I just got back to the truck. The snow's coming down, my legs are feeling it. This is the first trip of the year, so you know, obviously I was a little rusty out there, and my equipment, obviously I need to get some new ones. The boot was cutting circulation off. I don't know if my foot got bigger or something, but those old boots aren't just cutting it this year, so I might have to scoop some new boots. But that was Stratton Mountain in Vermont, and I'll see you guys next week. Have a good one.